Hey y'all, welcome back. This is Micellar cleansing water, y'all. Like, if y'all seen my video when I did this look, and if you haven't seen it, I'll link it. But it took this stuff off so good, y'all. Do y'all see that? Do you see it? Like, I still got a little glitter left, but my African black soap would take that right. And don't say too much about my paper towel because I ain't okay, I ain't got no cotton pad. Like, look at that. Eyeshadow gone, right? The glitter, we can work with the glitter. You knew it was gonna be crazy with the glitter, but yeah, I just keep putting it on my little pad right here. But did y'all see it? It just wiped it right off. Well, not like that, but you know it's gonna be a little work. But I'm saying, like, it's not irritating my eyes. Well, and I got eczema on my face, so whoever did this, props to you, because you did your thing. But alright, y'all, I just wanted to show y'all how that stuff take off my eye makeup so quick, so fast, and I love it.